I made a viral YouTube short that took me to where I am today. My channel is monetized because that short gave me over over 500 subscribers that that help me my boost my engagement and boost my subscribers. The viral YouTube short is very good for you, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a viral YouTube short that can change your channel and also give you the subscribers that you are looking for. So in this video I'm going to break down the formula that helps me to get millions of views and make my shorts go viral. So let's talk on why some shorts go viral. The first one is, in the first 3 seconds you have to use something that can hook a video. Mean something that can hook a video, when I mean something that will hook a video, so you have to make sure you grab attention immediately. If you don't grab attention immediately, people will go. The second thing is, you have to make your video make it snappy, no fluffy, because if you are giving space on your video, they will scroll it and pass. So make sure that your video, there is no space, no stopping, is like just be watching and keep watching. That is what will also make your short to go viral. The next thing is, make sure that your video is a shareable content. Make sure that your video is a likable content that will relate people, a relatable content that will make people to share your video and also be able to add it on their own cards. Will I say cards, or okay, on their own playlist? Because if people are able to connect with your video, or if people were able to share your video, it makes it to go more viral and get more views. A short that seamlessly loops help viewers to keep watching in a longer period, and also retain your viewers, then give you more engagement on that particular video. Now let me share the formula that I use on my YouTube short that make it to go viral and make people to keep watching and watching, and it give me a lot of engagement in my video. First is, you have to start with your attention, like draw people attention. You don't believe this, you won't believe this. That word alone is going to draw people attention to that video or to that short, because when you say you don't believe this, with effect of zooming and zooming out, zooming in and zooming out, people will want to see, okay, what is this talking about, what is he saying, or what is she talking about, what is she saying that I don't believe it, I want to see what the person is talking about. So they will be able to wait and see what the video is all about. Make sure your short is under 30 seconds. That's why they call it short. Let your short be under 30 seconds, so that sorry, I'm watching my mic if it is not off, so that they will not get tired. The most reason why short get more views or engagement is because people will not get tired while watching. So that is why you see video in short getting more views and going viral faster than a long form video. And if you check, even it gets more views, YouTube now make the eligibility to be higher 10 million views, I think so, 10 million views in 1 year. So that is how they made it, because they felt that okay, you can get this short easily. So for that, let them increase the view, so that you can't just wake up and before you know, you're already gotten 10 million views. Use trending sound. Trending sound, there are a lot of audio sound that is popular, which anyone is so engaging that people want to scroll and pass because of the audio of that video. The person will no longer scroll and pass. So use engage or trending sound in your short. The next one is tag. Use a trending and also engaging tag. Like anytime you post your short, make sure you have hashtag short, hashtag short video, hashtag YouTube short, hashtag YouTube short feed, and a lot more, so that it's going to push the video to the right place for you. Add animation, cut and caption in your short. The caption that you will see in your short, you will see a lot of video that has caption do better or do well than the ones that do not have caption. So a lot of people watch without audio. Caption is going to make them click on that video. Most people watch your video without audio, so the only thing that keep them engaged is your caption. So make sure that there is caption on your video. Most videos that do well on YouTube are the ones that have caption on it. That caption draw a lot of attention to your viewers. Add trigger or emotion in your YouTube shorts, whether it is surprise, something that creates curiosity, or something that makes someone to be surprised, or emotion and more, is very very good at the first 3 seconds of your short. Is help people and also help to retain your viewers and make them to engage more. So at the end of your short, make sure you ask question, something that will make them to engage in that video, something that will make them to feel free and feel welcome in your channel. If your first short do not go viral, don't panic, don't worry. Definitely it will go viral. So make sure you keep posting your shorts and follow all the whole trick and follow all the whole strategy and the whole formula I just shared with you, and you will see how your short is going to go viral and you get millions of views in your video. Thank you for watching, and if you get value in this video, please do well to subscribe, share, like and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.